Okie dokie. Hello, Internet and the rest of the world. Let's walk around with Ralph again. For all y'all searching for hope, well, we found it. We're here in beautiful downtown Hope, New Mexico. We got Heathcliff out there doing the camera duties for us. And of course, we got Sam in my pocket doing the sound engineering. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll try to keep making our videos a little better for you. Big old whopping town here, about 115 people. They all get along. They've got a decent little town. They got a 4-H club, of course, that built this beautiful sign, as you can see. Make sure I get the whole sign in. I'll get Heathcliff to do us a zoom out on it so we can see the whole thing. Go a little further into town and see what else we have there. We're at Wimberley Park, and I'll do a zoom out on that also. Come here, Heathcliff. We're going to do a zoom out. Come here, buddy. Okie dokie. There goes Heathcliff on a 30-foot zoom out. Here at beautiful downtown Hope. I wanted to get a good shot of this beautiful sign that the 4-H club built. Heathcliff's coming back in. Got a little bit of wind out here today. Pretty good. There you go. Okie dokie. We're still here in the Village of Hope. Being a retired firefighter, I kind of like to stop at firehouses. The other one down the street burnt down many years ago. Burnt up. I won't say it burnt down. It's still standing. It's one way to get a new firehouse anyway. But this one's been here for years. So we're still in the beautiful downtown Village of Hope. I'm going to stop a couple more places and get some other shots. With a population of 115, there's only about 44 residents here, houses. So this is it, folks. This is the hope we've been looking for. I got, there will be some old guy advice maybe a little later in the video. So hang around for that. I got Heathcliff out there doing my video for me. So come on, Heathcliff, we're gonna go down and see what else we can see. Okie dokie, we're still in the beautiful downtown area of Hope, New Mexico. Got a little bit of wind here. Old Heathcliff is doing his best with it. As you can see, once upon a time was a gift shop and a general store. I think it still is a gift shop. Has a beautiful old tractor over there. I got a nephew would love to have that. We're walking towards the old fire department. I don't know if they still use it. It still has a sign up. I don't see any signs of activity. But this is a fire department. What used to be it. And the unique thing about this fire department is that back many years ago, it actually caught fire. And it burned it out pretty good, as you can see here. Got a tree growing in the center of it now. We won't go inside because I got a sign up out there. I think it says stay the heck out. Oh no, just firework restrictions. Anyway, this is Hope. Here we have the post office. They've had a post office here since 1890. That's longer than most places in New Mexico. Got some old guy advice here. If you're ever home and you wake up and you see the flames and you know your house on fire, don't bother looking for too much stuff. If you can, grab a cell phone. After you get outside, get out of the house first and then worry about everything else. Don't go back in for the cats and the dogs. They pretty well know their own ways in and out. As you can see, The fire did a pretty good job on this place. Most of it's concrete, so there's not too much. I mean, the building's still standing, but it was certainly gutted. Across the street from us here is the post office. Now, they've had a post office in Hope since 1890. Not necessarily this post office, but a post office. That's pretty good for, we didn't become a state till 1912, so we had a postal service before then. So anyway, that's got the old guy advice. We got the building here. It still has a sign up, but there's a newer building down the street. I'm sure that's the one they use. They may use this for equipment storage or something, but who knows? So if you're lost and looking for Hope, I found it for you. Here's Hope. They do sell firewood down here. Got some really good firewood because it's mountain. Shore, almost up in the mountains. But we're going to do a zoom out on this and take it easy. Come here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie. Getting a zoom out here of the old firehouse, which burned up several years back. Building's still standing, which is a good thing. Come here, Heathcliff. Nice job. Okie dokie. We're here at the Hope, New Mexico Post Office doing a zoom out. I love their flagpole. They've got both a Old Glory and a POW flag. Can't beat that. I'm a retired Navy veteran, did 13 years in the National Guard. But here we go. Come here, Heathcliff. Good job. Okie dokie. We're standing here beneath the beautiful downtown Hope water towers. Got Heathcliff doing a little bit of a zoom out there so we can get a full view of that. We're here at the school also. Come here, Heathcliff. Let's go downtown and see what else we can find. And of course, we had to come down and get a zoom out of the City Hall and Ethel Altman Park. And I guess behind it, the police station's connected. So beautiful downtown Hope, New Mexico. If you're looking for Hope, this is where you find it. 115 population. Come on back, Heathcliff. And if you're anywhere near Hope and looking for firewood this winter because you get cold, looks like this is the place to come. I used to cut a lot of firewood back in the day when I was young enough to run a chainsaw. These days I let younger guys like this do it. Come on back down here, Heathcliff. Nice job, fella. Come here a little bit.